Guys, today we are going to be playing sinking ship survival or not, I don't know. So okay, let's play the oldest game I've ever played before. I used to play this every single day a long time ago. Guys, want to know why I don't use the like thingy anymore, like the camera? It works, but after I turn it off, like stops working for some reason. Like seriously, why is it like that? Why? Like seriously, why? Why can't I move? X, do I have any X? Oh my god, why can't I move? And bone. And bone. Okay, there. Hatch basic egg. Buzz. Okay, 1,000 honey. Yes. Long time ago, I used to be a pro at this game. Yeah, I used to love this game. Seriously. I think it crashed. Yeah. Let me where is it? Ignore that. I think I should not play that game because it crashes, by the way. Bye. Tomorrow later or maybe today again. I don't know.